believe it, this machine can tear apart a tree trunk the size of a utility pole in just a few seconds. No saw, no hammer, just swallow it whole and spit out tons of wood chips. Today, you'll see the true power of the wood chip monsters. In the modern wood industry, wood chippers play an extremely important role. These machines are used to turn tree trunks, branches, or waste wood into wood chips, which serve as biomass energy, paper and plywood production, and even for mushroom growing and composting. It seems simple, but inside these machines is an extremely powerful and intelligent mechanical system. There are three main types of wood chippers. The first is the drum chipper, which uses a large rotating drum with knives attached. This machine can process even large tree trunks without needing to split them. The second type is the disc chipper, which uses a rotating disc for cutting, making it ideal for smaller branches. It's fast and fuel efficient. Lastly, there is the screw or horizontal chipper, which uses a screw or horizontal auger design, typically used in large industrial facilities. Some modern wood chippers are truly impressive. They come with diesel engines that can reach up to 1,150 horsepower, and they can chip over 300 cubic meters of wood per hour. They feature large feed openings, sometimes as wide as 1,400 by 820 millimeters, and have discharge chutes that can rotate 180 degrees. Many models are equipped with conveyor belts up to 5 meters high, which makes it easy to load the chips into large containers. Examples of notable machines include Peterson, Bandit, Petzolato, and even some Chinese models that are affordable yet still extremely powerful. Wood chippers are important because they turn wood waste into valuable resources. Tree waste, dry branches, and even broken trees in the forest all become valuable resources for biomass power plants, paper production, and organic fertilizer production. The faster the chipping process, the more cost-effective it becomes, and the more we protect the environment. Which machine impressed you the most? Don't forget to leave a comment. If you love these massive machines, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next video from Mega Industrial Power.